Yay, my people! This one, it go bust your mind. Chukwudi, now Igbo king. This matter.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. So a news came to me this early morning, yes, concerning fake Igbo king, right? Hey guys, I don't know if this fake Igbo king will have somewhere to hide anymore, because his ex-girlfriend, a lady he dated since 1986 or something, yes, came out to talk. And if you hear what she talk about him, hey, this is serious. So guys, as you can see, my people, yes, my family are preparing to go to church, and I'm here outside because I don't want to hear noise. That's the reason why I came outside, yeah, because I don't want to disturb anybody. This news, you have to hear it first from this channel. That's why I'm outside. Yes, as you can see, I'm outside my house giving you this news. That's to let you know that this news now very important news. So, and please share this video so that it will reach those people that are supporting this fake Igbo king. What he did to this Ghanaian woman is unfair. That's the reason why we always tell you, be careful of the kind of man, you Ghanaians, those Nigerian men that are coming to you as if they sincerely want to marry you. Be careful with them. Make sure you open your eye very well. See you, shine your eye, because not everybody they come with a good heart. Look at waiting this fake Igbo king do this woman now. Look at such a heartless man, very heartless man, and you have right to open your dirty mouth and you are saying things to Ghanaians. See, Ghana government, you guys have to be fast about your investigation, because this man has done a lot in this Ghana. Let's take a look at the video, and please, at the end of it, I would love you to drop your opinion in the comment section, guys. Let's watch.
Chukwudi, now Igbo king. This matter now allegedly his ex-girlfriend has exposed him totally. Abeg, let's go and watch the video. After, I go interpret in English.
I go do Thanksgiving for this matter.
Good evening, in your name now. Make sure be our. My name is Christ Messiah, isn't it? In your name now, Master Monday, Munte Mass maybe. Upon ya, Igbo king was a mafado who were Ghana. Master Monday. Mumbete masamibi na mumbeke bima na Igbo king na owo Ghana kwan oze mafado na mepade Igbo king ne yer bete masamibi amam na ehu de ye besia te da me yo fantin te da owo na wonu ya besia wukun kwan oze mafado o hia ma na obohu ayaya oze mfem senye Kristo no hu mo ba. At the age of 19, no, 26, year 2000, and year 1996, no, 26, number 19 years. A brandy that damn shimmy in St. Via. Catch him down, Warren. I don't point him a problem. Name that in one robe in a back. Nay, pop. Oh, you say we are not a camp. Because ya somewhat to them they show been a ba. Mammy to a minim she that time, minim she. May my would be a may I then so on no mam today. Minim she. I wasn't a virgin, but na minim. Ebia ba kupina maya now. Me ya kupina many in the hunty, me pa me baby time. Only ye pa. Mingin it not first. Mingin say ye. Abranton was see a some more catch him. And you know not of Montedio. That me Igbo king your wagani. Can you on the mouth for the one? Can you on the mouth for them? No friend who do your him. Now some more buying in the ocean in same way. My friend, make sure those shorts. A chima shada mat to my matter, means him, but my padon. Get on to my friend who do your hen that while brandy first seed went to one share. Ni first seed meaning say one shame that. Chide the ban, no moon auto. Auto the ban no there may be. At Nanta care, o yim hoshi. Wawum Mikaka hospital, o yim mushi. 29 years no only be December meban nyame adom nyame suem me be nya busume num na abranti be da adam ka chem do orko Canada o hia me no ka chem de o hia me no wo fi Canada ona ne nuanum ne papa wa betna back to Nigeria enti me be nya busume num na obeka chem no opodo orko Canada enuanum na adofo da membre ni nyina sa na me nyene te Ghana no wa kram do orko Canada me di me de orko Canada kismo ka chem me de orko Canada na me mama ntwen na so obi ba na obo warama munwa ne ba ne ze oyeska obaba abohwen ne ba ne ze oyeska obaba abohwen 1997 me wo 96 me ba ne nya 5 months 97 no baba mama ne de oroko Canada okoba bra onye ska baba abohwe ba enuanum na adofo adi na me bohu na sana na me nyene ti Ghana wa wale me yanko besi ofi mu krom fantinya wa bo me lata de ontum wale owo ho ohia ni ba ti dam me nyibi na wanso nyibi na bedan ba eja uba da atomedo na beda adam de ko Canada ubenya 29 years enyim mo friend pala ma te da wasa akwa adopting mofra ifra wo hin I can sort it out. You yam in snow with him. Now, coffee from red, that ship, walk us all by one. About it, sir. Again, there you, Chris, or I may will. A bad ever said, my brother, but me, I'm upon now, son. On the number. As I be your that's how you want to go and bring me better. Many me banner babrochi. Look, no bro, ya more about the minute babrochi. I may say, men know ya banner back, and many for catching him there. Chida friend papa be sign and sign one man one my friend visa. I first papa so I catch him there over Canada. Sana Chukwudi, it's a Ghana. 90 year you papa one of some them. You pay you papa one for them. Chukwudi, Prince Howell. If I want him, I want your wife to explain this to you. I can flow in my own language. I don't know how wicked you are. You call yourself a king. A king, you couldn't take care of your first seed. You got me pregnant 1996. You don't know what is antenatal care. You don't know that your baby mother has delivered a baby for you, so you should come to the hospital and pay the hospital and take your daughter and your baby mama to house. Ibokin, Chukwudi Prince Howell. Sure. Look, I decided not to talk. I was giving some gist that you can come and see me back door, but I saw that your ignorance that is killing you. So this is the time I'm coming out. I'm telling you. Come out and deny that you didn't have a child that you said I should name her Linda Grace. Have you ever heard that before? Linda Grace without surname. Are you mad? Or you are a mad king? I want to insult you. I want you, if you hear this, it will pain you because you put me to trauma and pain. You are a stupid king. Under my foot, king. Chukwudi. Under my foot. Under my foot. Stupid king like you. Stupid fool. I don't even have to tell you a king because you don't deserve to be called a king. I have to stop it here. Otherwise, I will say so many things that it will rub your name in the gutters and or in the feces. Wicked, stupid mind like you. It's me, Gifty. I've been quiet. I've been watching you. I'm giving you small gist, but I didn't hear anything from you. And I don't want to keep quiet. Since I have realized that you are the Chukwudi, Prince Orwell, 1996, 2025, Chukwudi Ihenetu. Ihenetu, my foot. Is Prince Orwell dead? Oh God, how wicked you are. You call yourself a king. It's okay.
All right, so to cut the long story short, meaning in 1996, Igbo king now gave this lady Bele. They met as Swedro. Now, the Igbo king no take care of her and even the baby. As I am speaking with you now, the baby now is 29 years old. Money, she never show. Take care, she never take care. And she's also fancy. So this message now is now to Chuku Eze, now the Igbo king, that please, this girl, this is her face and everything. Are you denying? She's gifty. Are you denying? What was it about? We need you out on this one. So now your first born, now girl in Ghana. And she's saying something that even the words here. My people. Hey, oh, the wicked Nigerians has done it again. So, in this video, this Nigerian baller bed who sells phones accessories, ladies and gentlemen, now to this Ghana man who always, I want to buy from Nigerians sell cheaper. I want to buy from Nigerians because their items are cheap.
It's a power bank. Sure, my brother. I buy a power bank of this. That's the only charge. Because you have content. Nobody power bank. And you know what to say. And nobody content. HASHIM so that the mobile.
Ladies and gentlemen, this Ghanaian bumper worker, construction worker, went and did hard job and make money to buy power bank. Ladies and gentlemen, he saw a Ghanaian. He said that one is expensive. He moved to another Ghanaian. He said that one is also expensive. Ladies and gentlemen, he now met this Nigerian baller bed. Cheaper. Cheap things, ladies and gentlemen. Only for him to reach the house and wanted to charge the phone. Ladies and gentlemen, he put the charger to the connect to the power bank. The thing no dey gree charge. The thing start they bring quill as if it's gonna charge. Ladies and gentlemen, the power bank went off. The guy think say make a charger. He put for charge 24 hours. The thing no gree charge. Ladies and gentlemen, something say they make you open the power bank only for these wicked Nigerians and put pavement block inside the power bank. Ladies and gentlemen, so as a Nigerian baller bed, as you are coming from your country to come and do business in Ghana, this is the type of business you are doing in this country. These are the type of business you are doing in this country. Ladies and gentlemen, and Ghana police, arrest this guy now. As a Yash president, I am telling you people to arrest this Nigerian baller bed now, or else. I said, or else. Steve. What was it now? To the Yash. Why them? Patronize made in Ghana. Patronize from your own Ghanaian and friends. You see? Cheaper, cheaper, cheaper. I want it cheaper. Now they have sold you bomb.
Be a shame that some of you Ghanaians will make yourself available to be used or to be manipulated by like Hassan Ayariga, who has failed in almost everything he has ever stand for, to be against Ghana and to work against Ghana. You might be asking yourself, how am I working against Ghana? We are Ghana youth. We stand for the growth of Ghana. Listen, Hassan Ayariga has nothing good to offer Ghana. This is not a man Ghanaians should take serious.
Hey, Unlimited, shut up over there. You are no personally. You have the effrontery to talk about Dr. Hassan Ayariga. He's a what? A failed what? Politician. You were no. Tell me what thing you have done successful in this life.
What was it?
No, let me tell you. In movie acting, you fail. What? You fail. Tell me which kind of movie where you have done in this Ghana here and the movie has blown. Without your failed acting. What do you think about your failed acting? We shouldn't take the man serious like the way you people are taking your president Tinubu serious on your head. Don't be silly over there.
What was it?
I know you personally. Even motorbike, you are not able to take care of your own motorbike. This movie where you are acting, now small guests, small guests you the toast for the movie industry. I know, which means you fail at the end of as an actor. Now you want to be a blogger or you want to be what? With your useless Biafra, whatever you are wearing, and you are a foreigner. Stay away from Ghana politics. Stay away from Ghana politics. I will not sit here and condone you and watch you speak nonsense to our next president of the land. You don't determine who to be. You don't determine who become our president in this country, Ghana. Nigeria is your country. Go back there and choose your own president for yourself. What is all this? Without your village dressing, blue, with that red cap. Useless guy. I know you personally. And I know you. So stop spitting down nonsense over there at that Kaswa. You get some place, one corner staying in Kaswa that without your single room that you are living in, you think you are a big man over there. Go and check Hassan Ayariga house. He live in East Legon with more houses at Hato. He have houses all over Ghana. That is stupid. I've been watching most of your videos, but I know you personally, so I want to take it calmly. But you are crossing borders, and I have to tell you your nonsense and you are idiots. What if you tell me? Let me talk am.
What was it?
If you like call me, I will respond, and I will still insult you. Nothing if you tell me. Even you, Igbo man, even you. When human beings are talking, you have the mouth. You have the mouth to open that your dirty mouth and wear that your blue and come and stay on this media to talk. You think Dr. Hassan Ayariga are your mates? They're your mates? You know countries that you have been? When you get visa to even Ghana. You went and give thanks to God, Almighty God, that you have gotten visa to Ghana. You think you are Ghanaian, eh? You think you are Ghanaian, eh? You are not. So that your dirty mouth over. I hear you say P. I hear you say P. And mention the man's name again. Mention the man's name again. You think say what? I say I know you personally, and you also know me personally. You are Nigerian. Stop tweeting that plain nonsense over there. Demand your mates. He's a statesman, and we have every right to protect and defend him. When he speaks nonsense about the man, we have every right to defend him. Nonsense. Are you the one to choose who become our president for us? Don't shut up and sit at your corner and that Kaswade with that bulu talks. Tell us the what you are doing in this Ghana. Apart from the fail acting, you say you are doing Bitcoin. Which kind of nonsense Bitcoin you are doing there? You explain. They play. invite him again. He will explain what you dey do for this Ghana. Without your Igbo parties that you are doing inside Kaswa there. I say, I know you personally. So please, stop that nonsense. Stop that nonsense. Anyway, at the verse, still power to the yash. One them. Get up from my face.